Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to do a quick try on haul video of some items that I pick up from PrettyLittleThing. Please stay tuned. My style have definitely evolved a little bit. It's a little bit more classy, a little bit more sexy, but your girl still got that sex appeal even while being classy. Okay, so stay tuned for all the pieces and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Keep on watching though. And this isn't too short either. Let me turn around. This is more date night-esque for me. And for me personally, I wouldn't want my titties falling out, so I would wear a strapless bra and get me some double-sided tape with this one. Definitely twerkable. So it's definitely a night out look also. You can be a mom and still look cute, still be sexy and classy at the same time. That's how the front not detail. And if you're like a mommy like me and have that baby tummy, that mom tummy, this is going to do a perfect job of hiding it. I can't really zip this up. I need my husband to zip it up for me and he's not there, so I won't be turning to this side. But you guys can get an idea of how it looks. Now I'm gonna go all the way out here. And this is how it looks. This is probably gonna be my birthday outfit. With this outfit, I would definitely suggest you go up a size. I would definitely suggest you go up a size because this material is not stretchy at all. I'm lucky I got an 8. I wish I had got a 10 to give me some breathing room, but the 8 fits. So this perfectly. Is another dress, also a nice nude color. It has the military style with this here and this here. It fits perfectly. It's a 8. One thing I like to say is that this belt is not secure. I would need to put a hook on this for it to stay put and don't move around like when I walk, or pin it or something. And one thing, this right here, this belt loop for this belt is too big, and then the straps are definitely too long. And like I said, with most PrettyLittleThing stuff, that spaghetti strap, this is what always happens. The straps are too long. So, but I really like it, and those are easily fixable. I can pin the belt, I can fix this on my own, or just leave it. It's not that big of a deal. Or I can use a different belt if I want to make it look different. So yeah, and it's not too short where your pum pum or your butt is going to be out when you walk, so I like that. And this is how it looks up close. Like I said, this is not going to stay put when you walk. And it also hides the tummy, give you a little bit more of a snatch waist. So you can see the lace detail. I would definitely do a nipple cover or a black sleeveless, strapless, I said sleeveless, strapless bra with this. This is also in a 8, a US 8 that is. And when I first bought it, I wish I had got a 6 because it was kind of big on me. But now that I've gained a little bit more weight and I'm a little bit more thicker, okay, it fits perfectly. And this is how it looks. The bottom are also very long, and if you're tall, it's going to be tall girl friendly. So if you're tall, it's going to be tall girl friendly. And if you're like me, who is gonna wear this with heels, it's going to look perfect. And for some that's shorter than 5'6", because I'm 5'6", you can actually hem it up a little bit and it look perfectly fine. It looks amazing. Okay, I think I'm gonna change my birthday or my birthday outfit to this. Okay, my titties aren't on fleek like they used to be, so I'm sorry about my undergarments showing. But so this is a v-neck that I bought from PrettyLittleThing. This is actually a bodysuit, and I really like bodysuit like this. You can wear them with your joggers, which I have on from PrettyLittleThing also. And this is like a great mommy fit. This is how the back looks. And I got mine in a 8. This is also in a, the bodysuit is in a 6. This is an 8, the bodysuit is in a 6, and the material that makes these joggers are very thick, so if it gets a little bit chilly in your area and you want something that's cute and you can also be warm, these are good. And then the bodysuit is kind of thin. It's kind of made of a thin material, and if you're like a mom like me, these V-cuts are for definitely for date night, because if I'm holding my son, he's going to be ripping my clothes down, pulling my shirt down, and my titties are going to be out. So these are definitely for date night. They have a cuffed ankle, which I love. I also got them in another color, which I will. So this is the other color I got. This is like one cool mom outfit, or can change the blouse to a tank top or a regular graphic tee and you'll be good. And also this material falls down a lot, so you would need like a double-sided tape or something so it don't roll down when you're walking and stuff. And it's the same one like the cream one that I just showed you a while ago. I also have a black pair, kind of holding the stomach, the mom pouch very nicely. So this is a cowl neck top that I got from PrettyLittleThing. It's made of a light material, so it's perfect for the summertime. One thing I noticed with all PrettyLittleThing's top with spaghetti sleeve like this, there's these parts are always too long. This part right here, always too long, so the blouse keeps falling down. I would have to fix that myself. But this is a cowl neck top. I think I got this in a 6, and I have on some sweat shorts. Okay, cute little mommy fit. You're still sexy, still cute. This is how it looks. It features pockets at the side, which I love, and it features a drawstring, which I love also. And both of them are from PrettyLittleThing. I think this is a 6 and the bottom is a 8. All of my bottoms are always 8 in PrettyLittleThing. So this is also a one bodysuit that I got from PrettyLittleThing. It has a circle neck. I already wore it. It's a circle neck, and I like these because my son can't rip out my boobs out them, and they're easy to style. Can dress them up or dress them down. This is also in a 8. No, this is in a US 6 actually. So, and it's made of nice thick quality cotton material, and it's not too hot.